Ever pondered the significance of fish blood and bone meal for your plants? This dynamic trio of ingredients, brimming with nutrients, plays a pivotal role in nourishing plants and fostering their growth. Firstly, let's delve into what fish blood and bone meal is. This organic fertilizer is a rich resource, derived from fish waste and bones. It houses an array of essential nutrients, primarily nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Each of these components brings its own set of benefits to the green table. The blood component is packed with nitrogen, the maestro behind lush foliage and vibrant greenery. It fuels the production of chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for the plant's green color and its ability to photosynthesize. The bone meal introduces phosphorus to the mix, a vital element for strong root development. It ensures your plants have a sturdy foundation, enabling them to stand tall and strong. But the benefits of phosphorus don't end there. It also stimulates flower formation, promising a flourish of beautiful blooms. Finally, we have potassium, the all-rounder that maintains overall plant health and boosts disease resistance. It acts as a regulator, managing water uptake and nutrient distribution within the plant. This nutrient-rich concoction isn't just for the soil. It can also be used as a foliar spray, allowing plants to absorb nutrients directly through their leaves. This provides an immediate nutrient boost, ideal for when your plants need a quick pick-me-up. The application of fish blood and bone meal varies with the seasons. During the active growth phase in the summer months, plants may require more frequent applications to support their vigorous growth. Conversely, in winter, when growth slows, applications can be dialed back. A general guideline suggests applying fish blood and bone meal every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. The rate? Around 2 to 4 pounds per 100 square feet of garden space. But remember, these quantities can be adjusted based on your plant's specific needs and soil conditions. Fish blood and bone meal also contains secondary nutrients like calcium and magnesium, as well as micronutrients such as iron and zinc. These elements are crucial for overall plant health and vitality, adding another feather to the cap of this organic fertilizer. In conclusion, fish blood and bone meal is an excellent choice for gardeners seeking a sustainable organic fertilizer. It offers a balanced nutrient profile, promoting healthy, thriving plants and enriching soil fertility. Whether it's bountiful harvests or beautiful blooms, fish blood and bone meal can help you achieve your gardening goals.